This 94-piece impact socket set from Klutch is specially engineered for high torque applications in automotive work, plumbing, and construction. These high-quality 6-point sockets are crafted of impact-grade chrome moly steel to handle the toughest fastening jobs with a manganese phosphate finish that resists corrosion. The set includes 19 regular and 19 deep well 3/8-inch drive sockets in SAE sizes from 5/16 inches to 3/4 inches, and metric sizes from 9 mm to 19 mm. It also includes 28 regular and 28 deep well 1/2-inch drive sockets in SAE sizes from 7/16 inches to 1 1/4 inches, and metric sizes from 10 mm to 27 mm. It's all held in a heavy-duty plastic storage case for easy transportation to any work site. The next time you have a tough job to do, grab this 94-piece impact socket set from Klutch.